Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva Home. Today I'm undecorating, taking apart my fall decor and organizing it in the bins and then storing it away for the season. I like to get my bins organized before I store them away, so that way when I go back at it in next year in fall, everything is labeled and organized and easy for me to find. I also like to have a clean slate before I start decorating for Christmas. So in today's video, that is what you're going to find. You're going to find some undecorating, organizing, and storing my fall decor. I hope you find this video very motivational. Maybe you'll even clean along with me, or maybe you're just gonna grab a cup of coffee and watch the video. But without further ado, let's get started. So I start my cleanup in the front of the house and work my way back. I sort all my decor by what the type of decor it is. So all the pumpkins are together, all the foliage like greenery is together, and then all the other stuff go in a different pile. And then I have pillows and woods and signs. I also take some other things off that like candle holders or things like that that I know for sure I'm not going to be using for my Christmas decor, and put those away. And then on Wednesday I will be deep cleaning, sharing a video where I deep clean all of my rooms so that they're ready for Christmas decor, which will start on Saturday. So make sure your notification bell is on, as well as you're subscribed, so that way you don't miss out any of my future uploads. I'm so excited because I'm going to be bringing you so much Christmas decorate with me content this month, and I can't wait to share it all with you. As some of you may know, I have a DIY channel, and a lot of this decor are my DIYs. If you are interested to seeing what type of DIYs I create and what I'm working on right now, make sure you check out my DIY channel, which is linked down below, as well as my cooking channel is linked down below. And I just finished Croctober and shared a lot of different crockpot recipes, which in my opinion are perfect for this ever-changing weather. We had snow yesterday. On Wednesday it's supposed to be 18 degrees, so I mean it's up and down, but a hearty crock-pot meal is definitely something that I turn to when the weather is like this, and especially when I'm busy decorating. Let me know down in the comments if you're starting with your Christmas decor. In Canada, typically people wait till after Remembrance Day. I know that some US people are waiting till after their Thanksgiving, but for me, because I do put up 4 full-size Christmas trees, and I pretty much decorate almost every room in the house, it takes me a while to get it all done, so I like to start early and just get little things out of the way, and then before I fully start decorating my main trees. I like to give you guys ideas, so whenever you are ready to decorate your own home, you can look back and maybe use some of the decorating tips or cleaning tips that I have provided in these upcoming videos. So I have brought up these bins from the basement, and I will be using 3 of them. I only brought up 2. I have 1 more to bring up, and I'm going to most likely use 2 of them for the pumpkins. The signs aren't gonna go in because most of them are too big and too bulky to go in a bin. I will try and fit some pillows. I am washing some of the tablecloths and pillow covers before I store them away. And then the 3rd bin, I will be putting all the little breakable items that like my glass pumpkins and my giant acorn, that's the, what is that crystal called? Is it crystal? Can't remember now. The silver one. Mercury glass.
I met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him I want that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we...
So here is where I have stored everything. So over here, I just see if you can see, I had labeled it, just wrote right on it what they are. They're all my wood signs. Then this goes in here, and then I have a giant pumpkin that needs to go in there. And then all of my Halloween decor is going to go in a bin right here. I don't have a lot, so it should all fit in one bin, and then I'll have some room on top to store some stuff. And this is my spring and summer decor. There's some there's just a, what is that, a candy melt, not candy melt, wax melt snowman over there. And then this is the bin that has all of my, it says upstairs Christmas tree, but it actually has all of my greenery for all the seasons. And then this bin has my cushions from outside, which I think next year we're gonna get a shed, so that is gonna go in a shed, which I think will open up room for maybe another Christmas tree. And then this is just some wreaths. I have wreaths literally everywhere. I have there, and then I have some there as well. So I have to put my greenery in, but I'm contemplating whether I should take all of my Christmas stuff out before I put the fall stuff in, which I might do now. Yeah, and then the rest of this stuff is all Christmas. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Make sure to tune in on Wednesday, where we will be a deep cleaning, because all the stuff that I've taken off, now I'm going to go and clean everything, give it a really good cleaning, because once Christmas decor goes up, I'm not taking down to dust everything. So most of this, like, fireplaces aren't gonna get dusted until the new year. As scary as that sounds. But yeah, so that I will be doing that on Wednesday, and then Clean With Me videos start on Saturday, so make sure you tune in for that. And if you're not subscribed, now it's a good time to subscribe. Press that notification bell so you don't miss out any of the upcoming videos. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.